Hey guys, Disney Collector here with a brand new box of diecasts from the movie Cars. In here we have 24 cars. Let's take a look. Here's Daryl Cartrip, Eric Lanley, this is the brand new one, never released before, Nature Drive Lightning McQueen. Which one is this? Alex Carville. Another Alex Carville. This is also a brand new one. Francesco. DJ with Flames. Rip. Racer number 10. Race Team Mater. Sputter Stop. J. Kirby Gremlin. Here's Race Official Tom. Another rep. Pity Pacer. Edwin Cranks. Jonathan Rangeworth. This one is from the first movie Cars. This is also a brand new one from Palace Chaos. We have Maurice Wilkes. Also from the first movie Cars, Vern. Another McQueen, and this one is with Cone. McQueen with Cone. The brand new Mater. And this one is a brand new collection called Super Chase. Takeshi. Another diecast from the Super Chase collection is Hiroaki. And the very last car in this box is another Super Chase, Yukio. Alex Carville is from the World Grand Prix Security. In the back it says Panda. He has a very serious facial expression. Here's the Super Chase Yukio. On the helmet, he has the number 3. This helmet is all plastic, but you cannot take it out. Here's the adorable Nature Drive Lightning McQueen. He should actually be a movie moments car. He's from the scene when he's driving with Sally, from the first movie Cars. All the leaves that you see on him are actually plastic and you cannot take them out. This is one of the cutest Lightning McQueen ever. Another Super Chase, Takeshi. The helmet is removable and it's plastic. Here's Maurice. He's from the Palace Chaos edition. And this one right here is the last Super Chase, Hiroaki. He comes with glasses, a little hat, but you cannot take them out. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more new diecasts from the movie Cars right here on Disney Collector.